Hey, welcome to Cooking with Papa P. Today's recipe is going to be Parmesan Garlic chicken wings. I know that's a mouthful, but I've got some beautiful plump wings here that we're going to go ahead and bake naked and then put a great garlic butter sauce on top and mix them around. You know what kind of puzzles me when you go into a restaurant and you order, say, 6 wings. They give you 6 pieces, so in reality it's 3 wings. But anyway, we're going to keep these babies whole and bake them so they cook evenly, and I'll show you how it's done. I've got about 15 huge wings here. I'm going to go ahead and prepare the marinade for the chicken wings. I'm going to start out with my olive oil. I'm going to get about a cup of olive oil going. And we're going to go ahead and put some salt. About a teaspoon of salt. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, teaspoon of onion powder, teaspoon of cayenne, teaspoon of paprika, and then a teaspoon of chili powder. Okay, now we're going to add 3 cloves of fresh garlic, and then we're going to go ahead and blend them up. 1, 2, 3. I've got an emulsion blender here. My wife actually picked this up for me. She's sweet. She saw that I wanted one, and she went online. I'm not sure where she got it, but it works really well. I'm going to go ahead and blend this up. There we go. It looks beautiful. Sink. Now I'm going to take my marinade and pour it all over this beautiful chicken. I'm going to get my hands dirty. Go ahead and mix this around. Make sure they're all coated evenly. Nice. Now we'll go ahead and put this in the refrigerator and let it marinate for about 1 hour. All right. We got our oven preheated to 475 degrees. Getting these wings ready for the oven. We're going to bake these. We're not going to fry these. They come out just as good. I'm going to go ahead and get these ready. Now, I don't just place these on a tray as is because the corners can burn. So what I do is I take the tip of the wing and I tuck it right under the drum. And then I place it right down on the meat side. Do it again. And also what I did was I went ahead and pulled these wings out of the refrigerator after about an hour, and I let them stay inside room temperature for about 30 minutes. So this way they cook perfectly. They won't the meat won't tighten up as bad. Okay. All right, chicken's ready for the oven. I'm gonna go ahead and put these in the middle rack. And I'm going to cook these for about 20 to 25 minutes on one side, and then I'm going to take them out, flip them over, and cook them for another 20, 25 minutes. Now while those are cooking, I'm going to go ahead and show you how I make my garlic Parmesan butter sauce. Okay, I'm going to start out with a 1.5 sticks of butter. You get this melted up. We just want to melt it to a creamy state. We don't want to overcook the butter. We want to leave it nice and creamy. All right. I got 4 cloves of garlic. I'm going to go ahead and press into that butter. can't get enough garlic, that's for sure. Oh, I can smell that garlic already. Very nice. Grab my wooden spoon. Oh yeah, it's coming out very, very good. It smells so good. All right, now it's the butters of the creamy steak. Just about all melted. As soon as that last piece melts, we're going to go ahead and add the Parmesan cheese. I'm going to add about a quarter cup. Mix that in there. And now I'm going to go ahead and turn off the heat. Oh yeah, it's all ready. And then the last minute, I'm going to add parsley. I don't want to add it now because it'll lose its vibrant color. I'm just going to go ahead and... Okay, it's been 25 minutes. Oh, what do you these pulled out and flip them over? Oh yeah, they're smelling really good. Flip these over. Oh yeah, nice and golden brown. All right, I'm gonna put it back in the oven for another 20 to 25 minutes. I'll let it cook. All right, the chicken is ready. I can smell it. It smells wonderful. Oh yeah, nice golden brown. I wish y'all could smell this. All right. Chicken is ready. I'm going to go ahead and finish off the butter sauce. I've got my parsley here. Put that all in there. Oh yeah. Now I'm going to go ahead and get the chicken in here. I'm only going to put a few in there. And get these coated with that garlic Parmesan butter. There we go. A little more cheese in there. And we'll go ahead and mix them up. Get these coated. Nice. Balance out that plate. There we go. Add some cheese. Look at parsley. There you have it, folks. Garlic Parmesan butter. Okay, time to dig in. Oh, these smell so good. Oh my God, the meat is just falling right off the bone. Wow. That marinade is just out of this world. I have to give that credit to my wife, Jerry Lee. This is her recipe for the marinade. A little spicy. The oil, the way it coats the chicken and the way it cooks in the oven, it cooks it perfectly, as you can see. I mean, there's nothing burned. It's nice and golden brown. Anyway, I think you'd be really happy with these chicken wings. And don't forget, this is a chicken wing, the whole chicken wing. Anyway, thanks for watching. I appreciate the subscribers, and we'll see you real soon.